Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chancellor Red, and today we're gonna be doing some eye makeup. I'm not quite sure what I want to do just yet, but y'all know how it goes. So I cannot find my sharpener for this eye pencil, so I don't know. I guess today my eyebrows are just gonna be worse. Yeah, let me put my mirror aside and we can begin. I'm so excited today. Like, I just don't know. Yesterday I was feeling quite nervous, but I don't know, today I feel a little bit light, I'm gonna start off by doing my eyebrows as usual. Just gonna brush my hairs up. And then I'm just gonna like color them in. Like, my shape is not that bad, but it can be good, can be better. I don't know, guys, it was literally either I improvised and used like this unsharpened thing, or I use a black liner, and I don't know, I'm just not a fan. So I'm gonna conceal my eyebrows off of camera and then I'll be back. So I'm literally done concealing my eyebrows. I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Cool 10, and then I'm going to use the creamy beige just for my eyelids, and yeah, then we're going to apply the shadow. And guys, as I'm doing my makeup, like, my beauty blender is literally like soaking in water, warm water, so it's quite damp, and I'm just gonna like squeeze out the excess water and I'm gonna blend out my concealer. Okay, so I just finished blending out my concealer, and I don't know, guys, today I just feel like doing a very simple look. So yeah, I'm just gonna try out something. Quite a simple look I'm doing today. Just taking out the shade and I'm just packing it on. And I'm dragging it out just a bit. Not too much. And I'm literally just packing the shade onto my lid. Literally, guys. Doesn't get any easier. I don't know, I just don't feel like doing anything crazy today, but at the same time, it's not because I'm lazy, because I have the time to like sit down and like do the video. It's just, I don't know, I'm just not in the mood. It's just one of those days, but I decided that I should film and create some look, and it's not bad. Not bad. So I need to blend out like that those harsh lines. Like, no, this is not cute, guys. And there are people who walk out of the house with their shadows like looking like this, and I'm just like, don't do that, sister, don't do that. And I'm not saying like I can blend out my shadows or anything, but I'm like, at least try to blend it out, you know what I'm saying? So just at least try. Like, already you can see like it's a bad job, but I'm trying, and at least someone will look at my shade and be like, oh, at least you tried to blend it out. Unlike those ones who just you can see there was no effort whatsoever, none. Umuntu just decided, okay, today's like, that's how I'm gonna look, and they were fine with it. So I'm gonna go back with that shade just to pack it on a bit, because I feel like it's not bad. And I'm gonna take my concealer and I'm just gonna guys, honestly, don't ask me what I'm doing. I don't know where I saw this, but I saw it somewhere, and I just thought like it looked cool, so why not? And I'm gonna go back with that shade and I'm just gonna blend it out. Oh no, did I just cover it? Oh, I feel like I just covered it. But I'm not going anywhere. And guys, like, imagine I'm doing all this work now and I'm just gonna wash it off and sleep. That's actually all I'm gonna do. Isn't that like quite sad? All of this going to like waste. Nobody's gonna see it. Literally no one is gonna see all the work that I put in. All the work that I put in, no one is gonna see. It's like literally I'm doing all this thing for nothing. Like, you know that meme, like, okay, so I washed for nothing. Because when I just decide to cancel all our plans, that's literally how I feel. And guys, honestly, I need to like stop with the cat eye, because sometimes this thing doesn't like work out and it just ruins my entire shadow. So I honestly sometimes just need to like stop. See what I'm talking about? Like, what is this? Oh my god. And then you get some people who just like draw this thing like it's nothing. Like they just, they're done. That time it's like, after this I have to fix it like it's a mission. So literally to fix it, what I would do is I take some of this eye makeup and fix it. Eye makeup, cotton bud, earbud, whatever you call it. Get earbud. And then I just like and this is a trick some of y'all can use, you know, like, because I know I cannot be the only one who struggles with this thing. Like, it's quite difficult. thing I'm gonna do while we're still on the eye, I'm just gonna take like a few drops of it. Let me just reduce it. And I'm gonna put it all over my face, guys. So if you're new on this channel, we barely use primer, especially like if it's this late, we do not use primer, so we just go in with the eye makeup remover. Thank you. I'm gonna go in again with the BB cream from Mr. Price. Just take like small yana. You see, like this is so small that it goes a very long way. But this is not high coverage, guys. As you can see, I have like this black spot here and it's not even covered. Of which I did not expect it to cover it, honestly. This is the tricky part. So guys, can you see there's still like a bit left, so like a little goes a long way. Like it's not really the best coverage, but you know, I didn't expect it to cover everything. But right now I'm gonna be applying concealer, just the concealer under eyes. So right now I'm gonna set my my concealer. Hey guys. 2014 things. I don't like leaving my concealer on, so I'm just gonna on to the next one, on to my favorite step, which is contouring. Contouring is my favorite step. Guys, I'm trying to be like as fast as I can because I honestly have no space and I keep on deleting and pausing, so it's just a bummer. So I'm trying to be as fast as I possibly can. What was I doing? What was I about to do? ask me why I do this thing, I wouldn't tell you. Okay, but I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Oh my gosh, I just can't breathe. I'm just gonna set the rest of my face. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I just cannot breathe. Just gonna quickly highlight my face. Was they? Okay, is it? Is it? No. Does it? No. Ooh, child. Okay, that sounds so bad, dude. Okay, guys, so I'm done doing my face, or at least I hope. So I'm just gonna do my finish off my lips. Okay guys, this is my lip all done, and oh childs, I still can't breathe, but yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope it was a bit informative. And I don't put eyelashes because I just don't have. My mascara just vanished. I don't know where it is. Anyway guys, thank you so much for tuning. I hope that you like, comment and subscribe to my video, and till we sip milk again.